So this is the garment that I designed as a first year fashion design student for a subject called mid segment fashion brand for my final exams. So my brand was called Manjula by Amisha Yadav, and this is a Sanskrit word which means pleasing and delightful. So my brand stands true to the name and the whole meaning behind it, because it isn't about showing off to the world but feeling the beauty from within and just radiating confidence and elegance. The garments scream timeless but also align with the value of environmental responsibility. The collection is for spring summer 2026 and my collection is called the Wilted Muse, and this is my inspiration board. My inspiration was dry flowers. I chose dried flowers as my inspiration because we too often overlook the beauty behind something that has surpassed the peak of its bloom and take it as lifeless and unwanted. But in these withered petals, I see an epitome of resilience and transformation, which we all have to go through to learn important lessons in life. And this is the whole mood board, the entire mood behind the garment. This is my fabric and swatch board. I made the flowers with a fabric that is in between a very stiff organza and very flimsy net for the flowers to really hold the shape, and I burnt the edges of it to make it look more wilted and more like the dry flowers and the petals of the dry flowers. The main fabric to make the quad set, I used twill. This was my toile fit that I made with a very thick muslin fabric, and I made the plackets a bit thinner and removed the space tucks that I had in the main design and added the loops and the button. And for the buttons I used this subtle golden color to reflect the sunlight and the way it falls on the dry petals, and that completed the entire garment.